They say for someone that is currently getting their credit repaired, would it harm them by doing the shopping cart trick? Now, when it comes down to the shopping cart trick, you guys, if you don't know what the shopping cart trick is, the shopping cart trick is where you can get credit cards without them checking your credit reports or without them looking at your credit scores. So if you're trying the shopping cart trick, that means that you may need to get credit cards. Now, I always tell people try to have at least 4 credit cards in their credit reports. So when I say have 4 credit cards, these can be just credit cards that's reporting to all 3 credit bureaus that's want to help boost your credit score. These can be like Capital One, this can be your Discover, this can be your Navy Fed, and it can even be credit cards with the shopping cart trick. So if your credit score is really, really low to the point where you don't have 4 credit cards, then the shopping cart trick option may be best for you. Maybe you want to go that route. So you may want to get credit cards through the shopping cart trick. Now, the people where I say, hey, don't even think about the shopping cart trick, like leave them alone. For those credit card, well, for those people, if you're thinking about doing the shopping cart trick, if you're getting your credit repair, I always tell people if you have 4 credit cards, try not to get any additional credit cards, especially when you start to repair your credit, because if you get any additional credit cards, you know, every time you get a new credit card, you're going to get a hard inquiry. On top of getting that hard inquiry, when that new account is added to your credit reports, it can drop your credit scores. So I always tell people, if you're trying to get the best score that you can get, you're trying to really boost your credit score up more, you already have 4 credit cards, leave the shopping cart trick alone, because those shopping cart trick credit cards are going to have low balances most likely, or lower than you possibly can get if you was just to wait. You know, if you already have 4 credit cards, wait and build your credit, and then, you know, go ahead and apply for the higher limit credit cards now that you have a track record with the credit cards you already have. But if you do not have any credit cards, you need to get some credit cards, then the shopping cart trick will be best for you, even though you're going to get that inquiry, even though, you know, if you don't have any credit cards, getting that credit card it's not going to drop your credit score. It should actually boost your credit score up. But again, it depends on if you need credit cards or if you don't need credit cards. I always tell people just try to have 4 credit cards. Just try to have 4 credit cards reporting to all